Welcome along to your latest update from the Met Office and some slightly fresh-looking weather graphics. For most, it's a fine blue sky winter's day out there with plenty of sunshine. Here's the view from space. You can see a lot of cloud arching over the UK and coming down through the North Sea. We do have some showers just grazing the east coast of England. We've seen a few over northern Scotland. So they're fading away. We'll always keep one or two close to the coast of Lincolnshire and into Norfolk through the afternoon. But for the vast majority, it's dry and fine out there. Some patchy cloud, but for many it's blue skies all the way. It's a little chilly perhaps. Temperatures generally below average, 5 to 7 Celsius. And it certainly feels colder on the east coast, just 3 or 4 here. And add on that wind, well, it feels closer to freezing. So quite a brisk and cold wind blowing along the east coast, still bringing some showers into Norfolk in particular through this evening, but they should tend to fade away here as well. The odd one maybe over the Northern Isles through this evening. But the main thing about this evening is the map turns blue. We're going to see a frost forming very quickly this evening, and quite a hard frost across the south as well. For many across the southern half of the UK, the coldest night of the winter so far, -2, -3, even in towns and cities. Rural spots could get down to -6, 7, maybe even as low as -8. It's not quite so cold across the northwest by morning because cloud will be spilling in here, helping to lift the temperatures. So on to Friday's weather. A hard frost across the south, taking a few hours for that to melt away. But cloud will continue to spill into western Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England and parts of North Wales. Much of the eastern side of England, eastern Scotland and across the south will stay dry, fine and sunny all day. And for the vast majority it will be dry, but the cloud thick enough at times, especially through the afternoon as the breeze picks up, for a few spots of rain over the Highlands and the Western Isles. But generally it's another dry day with lots of sunshine in the east, and without that wind it'll probably feel quite a bit warmer across the eastern side of England, certainly compared to today's values. Again, temperatures generally a touch below average, 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. The highest value is likely across the northwest where we could reach 9 or even 10 degrees Celsius. Through Friday evening, not a great deal of change. The east and the south generally staying clear, and where it does stay clear, a frost will form quite quickly, but quite a lot of cloud across the west, the odd bit of patchy rain across the northwest. There is a weather front across the far northwest, and that will at times threaten to push southwards as we head into the weekend, but generally the weekend dominated by high pressure, certainly across the southern half of the UK. Light winds here. Difficult to say how much cloud there's going to be through the weekend. Certainly across northern Scotland, as these weather fronts approach, there will be quite a lot of cloud, a bit of patchy rain, and the breeze quite noticeable in the north as well. But close to the high, a lot of dry weather and light winds into the weekend. I'll have a full weekend forecast available for you on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe, and of course make sure you're following the Met Office right across social media.